Hello, my name's Dean. I'm racing 393 RC, and on my channel we do all sorts of things like hopping up radio control cars, building radio control cars, new and old, and refurbishing vintage. Now, you may have seen a previous video which was about a vintage nitro, and hopefully some of you may guessed what chassis that is. That is going to be an up and coming project, probably in the towards the winter now of 2027. Now, I've got another project that I'm going to do as well. Now, if you remember, back in, well, it was a winter project in 2026, which kind of migrated into the summer months. It took so long to build. If you remember, I'll put a picture up now. It was of the Tamiya BBX, and I threw absolutely everything at it, and then put, like a fast motor in it, good electrics, etc., etc. Stuck it down, slammed it down on the floor, which it seemed to go really well, because I quite like the tarmac special type of setup rather than the original like buggy setup. Now, I've got another project. Now, I haven't got the car yet, because I haven't got around to buying it yet. But here is a box of hop-ups. Now, I'm not going to show you all the hop-ups, but I wonder if you can guess what car it is. So I don't know whether to put the thumbnail. I think I might not put on the thumbnail actually what the car is, and keep you guessing if you watch this video. So let's see if I can give you some decent clues. Before I go down that route, I have literally, at the time of recording, had some really good news come through. Although it's linked to radio controlled, it's actually to do with my, if you didn't know, I sell on eBay as well, and I've got a load of radio control car parts from Tamiya. But something really exciting has just come through. So there'll be another video on my other channel, the eBay experiment, on this t-shirt, RC Gadgets and Toys. I mean, this isn't a plug for that, it's just I happen to be wearing this, and some really good news has come through. I almost have to go and tell someone. But anyway, the eBay experiment, there'll be a link in the description. I don't know when that video is coming out, but if you're interested, because it kind of links over to this kind of, but yeah, I'll put a link in the description. Keep an eye out. Anyway, back to what I'm talking about. So I've got my phone here so I don't get the dates wrong. So these are hop-up parts for this car. So it came out, I think this day is actually going to give it away. In 1986. I think it was re-released in 2017. And the big clue is it commemorated the 10-year anniversary of Tamiya. I think that's given it away now. So you're going to guess anyway. I'll now stick a picture up of what it is, so you probably guessed that. Now, in here, I've got, I'm not going to get them all out, but let me just show you kind of from afar. Can you see all that? They're all like hop-ups. So it is down the same route as the BBX, but I'm going to keep this true to its origin, so it will be an off-road vehicle. What do you think? How you want me to do these series of videos? Ideally, I'll put it right out there. Ideally for me, it would be like a staged, each week or every other week. Now, do you want it very detailed or just thrown together? I have got some ideas in my head. What I'm going to do, the paint is going to be box art, but not quite the same, not quite. And I've also got an idea for some more detailing. So, and it will be used as an off-road buggy, basically. So it's going to have, you know, the tyres and etc. etc. I'm not going to lower it down too much, but and we'll see. We're going to put some good power through it. We're going to see how it goes. Now this will be just like a hopped up version, like typically what I tend to do on my channel. We buy new and old Tamiya cars, kits, and then we throw the hop ups at them. These ones all come from, well, they're mainly extra speed. So there's things and bits and pieces here. I mean, a lot of the hop ups here, there's a crossover, isn't there, for the like the boomerang, I think, and the hot shot. Trying to think what else. Those type of that range of buggies. I think this one's got a slightly different like tub chassis. If I'm honest, you can actually get an aluminium chassis for this, and you never know. You never know. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you want me to do regarding this video. It's going to be like the BBX. I got quite good traction on YouTube. I enjoyed doing it. Even my mum watched it. Well, not all of it, but even she watched some of it. She doesn't know what she's looking at, but anyway. It's going to be very similar. I need to get a drink. Hang on. That's better. That's wet the whistle. So, yeah, let me know what you want to do. So, I'd like to do like a series again. It's probably will be in fall or towards the end of the summer. Because, well, I don't know about where you are, but at the time it's just silly here in the UK. Although, you know, we should embrace the hot weather, but it's not so much that, it's in the evenings. And my shed, when the sun's beating down on it, it's unbearable. You go in there and you just cannot think. You need aircon, but because we don't have aircon in the UK, you've got to buy it, and then when you do buy it, it's really expensive. Although you can get the standalone units, but we're always an afterthought. Oh, it's really hot out, I'll go and buy an aircon unit, and you can't because no one's got any. And in the winter, when you're freezing your nuts off, the last thing you're thinking of is need to buy an aircon unit. They're like fans, aren't they? But if you have, it doesn't matter. Let's not talk about the weather. Right, so let me know what you think. How do you want to see the Bigwig series build? All at once, thrown together, here it is done, or a detailed build? There's loads of detailed builds on the internet. Everyone's done it, haven't they? But they've not done it like this. So, and I'll let you know about my paint scheme, which is box art but slightly different when I do it. So yep, that's it. It's a quick video. So the last two videos, so this one, the one previously, was just about some projects coming up. At the time of recording, actually in real time now, I'm literally going on holiday in 2 days. So this will be out and I'll be back and forgotten about them. Well, not forgotten about the holiday, but back to normal by then. So yeah, I'll speak to you on the next video. Keep an eye out for this one. This is important, but that's going to be on another channel, and I'll see you with the build for the Bigwig, putting all these parts that I might not need on the chassis, and we'll see how we go from there. So without further ado, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching, appreciate that. If you like what I do, then please consider subscribing, or perhaps sharing the channel's really good for sort of any sort of new channels on YouTube, because you can share it out to like-minded people and they may come along and see what I do. They might like it, and they even might subscribe. So anything like that really helps. So thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.